just threw the laundry in the washing machine. Let's go ahead and get our day started. Hey guys, it's Jenny. Thank you for coming back. I am going to be vacuuming the rugs today, washing windows in the living room and foyer, and what else am I doing? Oh, laundry. I'm doing laundry. I think I do about 4 loads of laundry this day. Maybe 3, but I think it's 4 because I did towels and my clothes. Maybe it's only 2. No, because I had a load in my laundry basket too, so there was at least 3 loads. Anyway, watching this video, I realized, look at how stained my carpet is. Having dogs, you just can't have light colored items. Our dogs are pretty big. We have a Great Dane and a what is she? A Rottie Mastiff mix. And then we also have Boo, who you see in this video. She is a 4.5 pound Chihuahua. And that is my mother-in-law's dog, but she can't care for her anymore, so we have her. She's only about 6 or 8, I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm thinking I need to get rid of this carpet. All right, friends, next we are going to clean the French doors in the back. There's a lot of doggy nose. I don't know if you can really see the dog prints. Oh, maybe. So to clean windows around my house, I just use a regular squeegee for like your windshield and some regular Windex and a rag to soak up the drips of Windex and dirt from this so it doesn't run down the front of the doors. We're gonna go ahead and clean the outside first so we can end on the inside and we don't have to come back out into this hot, humid air. I don't know where you guys live, but I live in West Tennessee and it has been so hot and so muggy and so wet this summer. It is so weird. At least it's not windy. I'm glad. We have had some straight line winds and damage. We have another tree down in our backyard, but we'll get it all figured out. Let's do the inside. I'm so glad I'm getting around to cleaning these windows again. They are under a covered porch, so they don't get like a lot of dirt and rain splashed on them. They just get nose marks from our dogs and apparently fingerprints from us opening and closing the door to let the dogs in and out. It's a joy. All right, we're done with the French doors behind me. Now let's go ahead and do the side lights on the front door and the front window on the inside. So we'll just clean the inside where all the dog nose marks are. The whole window, but the dogs don't get on the front porch at all. So let's do that. As you can see, I'm standing next to a pile of cardboard boxes. I'm saving those to put in some landscape gardens in our front yard this fall. I'm just waiting for it to cool down. It's just way too hot for me to go outside and do hard labor like that, like shoveling compost, and I can't do it in the heat. I have to wait until the fall. So I do have a lot more content coming up. We are going to be building a bench right where I'm standing, and some shiplap and wall hooks for all that stuff that you see hanging there. All right, the windows are all set, so let's go ahead and move on to shampooing the ottoman. We have some water stains, some marks from the dogs, like resting their chins on here. So we're just gonna shampoo this real quick. We also plan on painting, well, I plan on painting the kitchen, hallway, living room, foyer, and our bedroom. And I also need to do some touch-ups in our office. I might actually do some real work in there, like board and batten and some new paint. I love that room. It's a beautiful navy blue, but I want to add some white to brighten it up a little because it's pretty dark in there.
Tell me why you gotta lie to me? Baby, it's our time. All we do is fight.
Here's what I just sucked out of the top of the ottoman. Some dirty water, even after I vacuumed it. I have some dark spots, and I want to try to shampoo those and see if it'll help at all. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to switch out this carpet. And we've only had it for a few months. 4 or 5 months maybe. So I need to try to shampoo those dark spots from our shoes rubbing while we rock, and then we'll move on from there.
I really wanna say I love you. Really wanna say I love you. Really wanna say I love you. I really wanna say I love you. Really wanna say I love you. Really wanna say I love you. Baby, it's our time. All we do is fight.
We're gonna do some towels as well.
Baby, it's our time. All we do is fight. Maybe we should call it what it is. Really thought you changed my mind. Really thought you changed my. I really thought you changed my mind, my mind, my mind.
We got the laundry moving on. Let's see what else we can get into. I really like the size of my bedroom. It's just not very cozy. It's quite large. Everything's spread out. I really want to flip it, rearrange it, get it feeling more cozy with our bed, dressers and stuff on one side of the room, and then have the dog's kennels closer to the bedroom door. So that's another project I have coming up in the future. I will also be painting all that furniture and possibly getting 2 new dressers. We do need bigger dressers, I think. I definitely need a bigger dresser. I need like, I don't know, 2 or 3 more drawers for just socks and underwear and stuff and pajamas. Right now I'm piling everything in my computer chair that doesn't hang up or go in the top 2 drawers. Honestly, I'm really glad that you're here with me because laundry is one of my least favorite chores. I don't mind gathering it, washing it, drying it, but folding it or hanging it up and putting it away is literally my least favorite part. I really would rather do something else. So I am extremely grateful that you are here with me, keeping me company. It means the world to me. I know all these YouTube influencers are getting ready for fall already, but it's the beginning of August, and here in Tennessee, it is scorching hot. There's no way I can get in a fall mindset until probably late September. Other than that, I'm in summer mode, full bore. So you guys unfortunately won't see any fall content from me until the end of September, probably. Maybe the middle, I'm not sure. Because I have to drive all the way to Memphis to go to, what is that place called? Home Goods and the home store, stuff like that. It's nowhere near me. It's an hour away. Oh, did you see my dog? That was Junebug. She's my Great Dane. So expect fall content when it's actually fall. I am not at that point yet where I can do videos ahead of schedule. Plus I'm having surgery next week and I might be out for a little bit. I found out I'll be on crutches for 2 to 4 weeks, according to my surgeon. All right, friends, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here for the week. I just want you to know how much I appreciate you. I'm so thankful for you being here. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and the like button if you did like my content today. And I will see you guys on Monday.